The centre further stated, this event was felt throughout Anchorage and the Matanuska-Susitna region. Nearly 200 reports of ground. The danger increases when magma pressure and subsurface gas accumulation are factors. Welcome to United States Line. Today we report a magnitude 4.6 earthquake that struck Alaska on August 6, 2025, just miles from Mount Spur, which is now showing signs of volcanic activity. Source: The Express, August 6, 2025. A magnitude 4.6 earthquake has struck just miles from a volcano in Alaska that is showing signs of activity and potential for eruption. A powerful earthquake has struck the region just miles north of an Alaskan volcano that is currently showing signs of activity and potential for eruption. The US Geological Survey documented a magnitude 4.6 earthquake near Petersville, about 86 miles from Mount Spur. The Alaska Earthquake Center reported, "We have assessed a magnitude 4.6 earthquake that occurred at 10:38 a.m. local time, with a depth of 82.8 kilometers and 54 kilometers north of Skwentna." Even Anchorage, located more than 100 miles from the epicenter, experienced severe shaking more than a week after one of the largest earthquakes ever recorded struck nearby. The center further stated, this event was felt throughout Anchorage and the Matanuska-Susitna region. Nearly 200 reports of ground motion have been filed with the USGS from this sparsely populated region, which has been on the verge of a volcanic eruption in recent months, The Express reported. Mount Spur remains on alert status due to low-level disturbances with sporadic small earthquakes recorded beneath the volcano's summit. Research published in Nature in 2021 revealed that most volcanoes, especially those already showing warning signs of activity like Mount Spur, can erupt from a nearby earthquake. The danger increases when magma pressure and subsurface gas accumulation are factors. The USGS confirmed that the earthquake originated 52 miles below the Earth's surface, a depth where seismic energy typically spreads more widely. This suggests that while tremors can be felt over a wide area, their intensity generally diminishes unless the magnitude reaches very high levels. Additional reports came from Sand Lake and northern Healy counties. The Petersville area sits atop the Broad Pass Thrust Fault, a southeast verging fault that forms the Peters Hills Basin. This active fault system has the potential to trigger a powerful earthquake between magnitude 7.6 and 7.8, creating a significant seismic threat. With nearly 300,000 Anchorage residents residing there, locals have been monitoring Mount Spur warily since March, when experts warned that an eruption could be imminent. The Alaska Volcano Observatory, AVO, released its latest assessment on Tuesday, reporting low-level earthquakes continue at Mount Spur, with occasional small earthquakes occurring beneath the volcano. None were observed in partly cloudy to clear satellite imagery over the past day. Clear webcam images of Mount Spur's summit crater show minor steam emissions. AVO further observed, earthquake fluctuations are common at the volcano, and eruptive activity remains possible but unlikely. They clarified that a similar decrease in activity occurred before the 1992 eruption, with varying seismic patterns before an explosive event. During Mount Spur's previous alert status, elevated gas concentrations were measured from the summit and its lateral vent, the same vent that last erupted in 1992. During that period, Matt Haney, the scientist in charge at AVO, told DailyMail.com that any eruption would likely occur at the side vent of the summit crater and would be explosive. Such an event could send multiple ash plumes as high as 50,000 feet into the air. Each explosive episode would last 3 to 4 hours, with the ash cloud potentially blanketing Anchorage and surrounding communities in dust. The eruption would also trigger destructive landslides and avalanches of volcanic debris that would hurtle down Mount Spur at speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. Fortunately, no communities within that radius would be affected, Haney said.